Hello, welcome to Cafe IU. So in this video, we are going to be talking about some awesome web apps which you can use to draw software architectures. Now, some of these are free, some of these are paid, some of these allow you to draw shapes, basic shapes and flowcharts, while some are specific tools which can allow you to bring in shapes, icons, and a variety of tools. Let's begin. So the first tool on the list is draw.io. Yeah, that's really famous and free. That's the best part. So all you need to do is go to the website. There's an app also, but it's pretty much a Chrome app, so you can use either of them. So you go to the web app, click create new diagram, and you can select a variety of options. What I really love is you can just go search in for AWS and press enter. You can get a variety of shapes, sizes. For example, I want to create this really nice 3D looking diagram which is for AWS. Now this is super cool, and with very minimal setup I can get the skeletal out and I'll be able to draw the diagrams. If you see here, you have all the different icons that you can have and you can change and replace, and that's pretty much what it is about draw.io. Now some important aspects: on the right hand side you have ways to style, like you can change the shape, color, size, and you can make your diagram really beautiful, and it is free. The next tool is called lucid charts. Now this is something which I do not use a lot, but I have used it in the past. I have tend to over the years moved from Visio to draw.io, which is what I currently use. Now even here you can pull in and bring in icons, though it does not have 3D icons, but it's nice. You can draw basic shapes, you can draw, for example, you can have two icons like this and you can have them connected. You can change the shapes and sizes of them, and you will then need some kind of a arrow to be able to connect them, and you can maybe put a circle for a decision, connect them. So these are nice features where the arrows are free flowing along with the shape, so you don't get disconnected arrows, which are really useful. So I think it's called sticky arrows. Then you can also add some services from AWS or any other cloud provider that you want. You can probably just use the same way to connect them, just and you have a diagram, right? So this is a nice tool. It looks almost like a word processor. You have a lot of control on your, for example, I want to make this dotted, I want to change the direction or make it bi-directional. I can increase the thickness. I should most likely, you can put in styling tools, so to make it like a diagram looking, free flow, dark mode, or pastels. These are nice styling elements which can give a nice look and feel to your diagram. So I would definitely explore them out. Now there's some collaboration tools also where you can comment, and if you're working with team members who would want to share thoughts about the diagram or even make updates about the diagram, then you can do that here. So that's lucid charts. Please note that this is a paid tool. Let's just quickly check the pricing. Pricing should be here. Free is, well, free 300 double charge, 60 shapes. That's limited. The premium is quite high. At least for me, it's $8 a month. Probably there's an annual plan which is giving you a discount. Now, given the choice between this and draw.io, given most of my functionalities are covered within draw.io, I would choose draw.io. Now moving on, the third one, I'll rather keep Miro for the last, and third talk about a notable mention, which is Canva. Now Canva is a wholesome diagramming tool or a wholesome graphic engine, right? You can do tons of things in Canva. The best part about Canva is it is very visual and it's very aesthetically pleasing. So in Canva, I can just create a new web flowchart. I can add in shapes, I can add in elements, though it is not specific to a certain cloud provider or something, but you can get their icons as well, and you can build it up. Now, I have a paid account with Canva, but the arrows and connections will you will have to work your way with it. It will not automatically give you sticky or moving arrows like the other tools, and they are not as good. It is not a diagramming tool, but you can still make it a good diagramming tool if you spend time. If you are a content creator, if you want to design good looking diagrams, I would suggest Canva over draw.io. But if you are somebody who is a professional and want to capture infrastructure diagrams, class diagrams, state diagrams, or a variety of different software architecture diagrams, I would suggest to stick to draw.io, at least of the tools that I've done so far. So that's Canva for you. Moving further, the last tool on the list, this is a paid tool, but is one of my favorites. It's called Miro. It is a tool which I've been using for a very long time. For example, I really love Miro because it's extremely visual. It's beautiful. The nice ability I have is it's automatically able to give a curved line and a straight line. I can straighten this line. I can move this line freeform. I can add zoom in comments. I can change the colors from here itself. I can change a palette and it will automatically become like that. So it's really nifty. What I love about Canva is you can always go in here and add AWS as shapes or any other architecture. Just a second. For example, Azure cards. No, I think I clicked on something else. Basically, what I was trying to show is the diagramming shapes that they have from AWS, but it is paid. Yeah, it's here. So you have a lot of additional template or shape packs, as they call it. You have AWS, and within AWS, you have different groups of AWS services. The same is true for Azure and for a wide variety of tooling. It's really nice and it's very well grouped and organized. That's what I love about it. And it's very visually pleasing too. Now, Miro is a paid tool. You can always upgrade to a starter pack, which is also $8 a month. But Miro is not just a diagramming tool. You can do wireframing with it. You can do a lot of project collaboration. You can even host presentations inside Miro. You can bring your content and think visually within Miro. So Miro is a great tool to invest in general. Okay, the diagramming aspects, I was wrong. It's not $8 a member, it's $16 a member with annual plan and $20 monthly, but it's so I would say it's costly. But I still think it's worth it, even though I might not use it. So if you work in an enterprise, I think this might be a very nice tool for you to take in and put all your diagramming assets around them. So yeah, that's the video that I wanted to do. There's a lot of other wire notable mentions. For example, I'll talk about diagramming tools on Google and let's see what we get. I'm pretty sure you see the first is Miro, Lucid Chart, Visio, Creately. There's tons of diagramming software out there, but I think the ones that I went through are quite good. So Draw.io, his Miro, and what else do we have? Diagrams.net, that's always first. Lucid Charts, that's second. XLE Draw is a great tool that is coming out. You can use it to make hand-drawn tools. I think I should have included this in my list, but I somehow forgot to do that. This looks very beautiful. You have libraries where you can, for example, search for different icons. I don't want to. Maybe I'll just do one show. So these all will give you a hand-drawn feel, and Excel Draw is quite efficient and very well built too. I don't use it that often. I would prefer still Draw.io, but Excel Draw is a good combination. What else do we have here? I have no clue what TLDraw is. Jiffy, I have used it, but I no longer use it. Is a Mac specific app. I wouldn't go there. Miro is number seven. I don't know why it should be much up higher. You can get this clear looking professional diagrams in Miro, which is what I love. Cloud Skew, no idea what that is. I think I've covered most of the tools. So yeah, that's the list of the tools that we that I wanted to see. Hope you liked the video. So that's all the tools about diagramming, and you can draw software architectures using these. So number one is Raw.io or Drawify.net if I'm getting it right, Lucidchart, Miro, Canva, and Accelerator. These are the five tools that you can use and check out if you want to build diagrams. Thank you. Subscribe to my content if you've liked it. Bye bye.